Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for honest and detailed product breakdowns. In this video, we're diving into what might be the best Whynter Ice Maker built-in 15-inch model currently available. The Whynter UIM-155 stainless steel built-in ice maker. If you're in the market for a reliable, sleek, and compact under-counter ice maker for your home bar or kitchen, this might just be your match. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the Whynter UIM-155 makes a strong first impression. Its modern design blends a stainless steel door with a black cabinet that's not only clean and professional looking but also easy to match with most interiors. Whether you're looking to integrate it into your cabinetry or let it stand alone, the front venting system allows for both built-in and freestanding installations, giving you complete flexibility depending on your kitchen layout. In terms of size, it's a relatively compact unit measuring 18 inches deep, 15 inches wide, and 25 inches high. It weighs just under 48 pounds, which makes installation manageable without being flimsy or cheap feeling. The package includes an ice scoop, an ice bin, and even a 25-foot, quarter-inch food-grade water line. So you're set up with everything you need right from the start. Now, let's talk performance. The Whynter UIM-155 produces 12 pounds of crescent-shaped ice in 24 hours. That's more than enough for a small household or even for light commercial use in a bar or office break room. The internal storage bin holds up to 6 pounds of ice, and it features an auto shut-off function that activates when the bin is full, helping you avoid overflow and unnecessary water waste. One of the major selling points is that this unit doesn't require a drain. That makes installation far simpler compared to many other under-counter ice makers that need a gravity drain or a pump. It runs on 120 volts and consumes about 120 watts of power, making it an energy-efficient solution. Now here's something important for international buyers. This unit operates on a 120 volts power supply. So, if you're outside the United States, make sure to have a proper voltage converter, or this unit won't run, or worse, could get damaged. Functionally, the operation is manual, so there's no smart functionality or app integration here. That said, its simplicity can be a benefit. Fewer electronics often mean fewer things that can go wrong. The unit's refrigerant is R134A, a commonly used and safe refrigerant type. Now let's take a quick look at the noise level and maintenance. While Whynter hasn't officially rated the decibel output, this unit runs quietly for the most part, aside from the occasional hum or ice drop. As with all ice makers, occasional maintenance like cleaning the interior and water lines is necessary to keep things hygienic and running smoothly. Overall, the Whynter UIM-155 is a solid option for anyone looking for an efficient, no-fuss ice maker that offers the flexibility of being either built-in or freestanding. It's stylish, functional, and provides consistent performance without needing a drain. While it lacks advanced features like multiple ice sizes or touchscreen controls, it does what it's built to do, and does it well. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and product comparisons. See you in the next video.